Hello. I am teacher Bernardo Estrabo. Your teacher in Mathematics 9. Good day. For Quarter 1, Week 2. Our objective is characterizing and describing the roots of quadratic equations. Let's review. Identify the value of a, b and c of the given quadratic equations. Example number 1, 2x squared plus x3 equals 0. The value of a equals 2, b equals 1, c equals -3. Example number 2, x squared minus 9 equals 0. The value of a equals 1, b equals 0, c equals -9. Example number 3, x squared plus 4 equals 0. The value of a equals 1, b equals 0, c equals 4. The roots of quadratic equations can be imaginary numbers, equal and two distinct roots. It can be determined by the value of the discriminant d. What is discriminant? Discriminant determines the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. In formula, d equals b squared minus 4c. A. If the discriminant d equals 0, then the roots are equal. Example 1. X squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. The value of a equals 1, b equals 10, c equals 25. Using the formula of the discriminant d equals b squared minus 4c equals 10 2 minus 4 1, 25 equals 100 minus 100. d equals 0. By checking x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. Factor, quantity x plus 5 quantity x plus 5 equals 0. The roots are -5 and -5. Since d equals 0. Yes, the roots are equal. B. If the discriminant d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Example 2. X squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. A equals 1, b equals 4, c equals -5. Using the formula of the discriminant d equals b squared minus 4c equals 4 squared minus 4 1, -5 equals 16 plus 20. d equals 36. By checking x squared plus 4x -5 equals 0. Factor, quantity x plus 5 quantity x minus 1 equals 0. The roots are -5 and 1. Since d greater than 0. Yes, the roots are real and unequal. C. If the discriminant d is less than 0, then the roots are not real or imaginary roots. Example 3. X squared plus 4 equals 0. A equals 1, b equals 0, c equals 4. Using the formula of the discriminant d equals b squared minus 4c equals 0, squared minus 4 1, 4 equals 0 minus 16. d equals -16. By checking x squared plus 4 equals 0. Use extracting the square roots. X squared equals -4. X equals positive 2i, and -2i. They are the imaginary roots. And since d is less than 0. Yes, the roots are not real or they call it imaginary. Key points. A. If the discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. B. If the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. C. If the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are not real or they call it the imaginary. This has been Teacher Bernie saying, happy learning with a heart. Mathematics is fun.